Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. So this is your title. We are so close, less than 4 degrees separating you and me process. Nowadays, the glory of social networking sites even unpredicted. Thus, we are so close and then world is even smaller than you thought. A friend of your friend probability known as the friend of other friends. The Facebook datasets were a chunk of the gap between us. The 6 degree of separation of theory proposed in 1967 started. We are all just a 6 degree of separation of operate. So this paper addresses of the researcher's problem of identifying the degree of separation from the different viewpoint of a considerations, not only the degree of separation between two normal person or famous person, but also between the two persons with a very rare special features. So we are relevant even external than 6 degree of separations of theory of using real social researchers. We are so close. So now we are using that even implemented process. A social networking service is a platform of to build the social network or social relation among the people who are have similar interests, activities, background, and real life connections. Social network sites are via popular online communication forms among the adolescents and emerging adult. A friend of yours friend, probably known as the friend of other friends, Facebook chunk of gap between us. So we have find that the dataset using the Facebook dataset is only your activities based on your school life activities. Uh, this only mention that your ages and then male or female and then school and then district and then your college life, which college you are studied, completed your degree and then school. Also we are checking that and then which data is we are very help to the futures. This members are relations maintenance and this members are not relation maintenance. So this valid advantages we can find out this process. So this is a flow diagram and then start and then dataset pre-processing and then find weight values and then we go to the hierarchical method. The hierarchical method is in 4 attribute. Our process we can find that 4 attribute process, not using the 6 attribute, 4 attribute process. Find the mean values. This mean value is very help to the shortest neighbors and then we can predicted values. It will be help to the which persons are fake account, which persons are real account. So this is our enhance process work. So we are using that your new implemented process of genuine account and then fake account. So it will be very help to the. So we can find the two methods of algorithm. So find that the shortest neighbor method and then we can find a method of genuine account and then fake account. This is also very help to the relationship maintenance and features. So this is our main goal of process and then finally we stop. So first we start with this is for package Facebook and then we start with home and then right click and then how to process and then VM server choosing that and then finish this process. So we are so close, less than 4 degrees separating you and me. So this is your title and then just click that and file choosing. So you choose on your dataset folder and then you choose then dataset file format. Dataset file format you choose first your Facebook CSV file format and then open and then view. So this is your dataset. Next and then get and then pre-processing stage, pre-processing successfully. So remove the unwanted special data and then adjust that CSV file format and then get upload file format. So it will be uploaded in databases. File uploaded. So this is databases into uploaded in here and then next and this is find that your overlap values and then so table will be generated in all attributes getting the values and then F name and find the mean value on show tables. So for table means it's in compared to your name, show name, company name, college name. This is the attribute name and contain that the values, the mean values. And then So values mean each attributes having the main values. So and then we are using that classification process of class 1, class 2. So first choose on the name, and then we find the mean values, and then we are choosing the hierarchical format. So we select the class 1 and then class 2. Class 1, class 2 hierarchical format. Next, and then we select the cluster 1 process and the cluster 2 process. First we select the name, and then now we selected the just choose that your university. Find the mean values, and then hierarchy cluster set will be generated, will be background side, and then so first a class 1, class 2, and then next level we going to the only choose the this class 1 data only, and it will be on the hierarchical format with another. So this process has nearest members we have find that. So nearest members we have find that means like that in futures we have one relationship of your friendship related maintenance, and then university names we have compare that. So this members we are getting that here, and then this class 1 details next to go to the third clustering process, and then choose now choosing that your male or female, and then find mean values, and the hierarchy cluster process start with, and then completely, and then now choosing that only short list of these members, and then now choosing the class 1 is go to the final cluster process of now using the district. Find the mean values on the clustering process. So this is the nearest members. These members are features we will be, they are friendship related predicted. So these members are so feature possible for relationship maintenance, and these members are not relationship maintenance. And then individual predicted values, and then you just then compare the predictions, and then you will be compared to the all process of individual prediction process. So background side running that here, and then predict values. So this is also predict value. So now we have choosing the genuine account and then fake account. So now you're choosing that any random values, and then using now school district, find genuine user. The district is we are checking the genuine user. So these members are genuine account details, and then like this based on their district. So find the fake users. So these members are genuine account, these members are fake account. So first we have choosing that nearest friendship related, and then this friendship related we have find out that which persons are genuine, which persons are fake. So these details are fake account, and then compare the shortest neighbor.